Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. I have a special treat for y'all today. We're making ensalada de fruta, our style for Mexican fruit salad. These are all of the ingredients. I'll be naming them as we go along. Don't worry, I got you. This is a perfect treat for the entire family if you have a get-together. Alright, let's get started. First off, we're starting with orange JellO. We're gonna start with this one first because it takes longer. Make sure to follow the instructions on the box. And try to lay it on a dish similar to this one because we're gonna cut them. You'll see what I mean when I get there. Go ahead and open all your cans with the can opener, if necessary. Go ahead and dump out all the water except for the fruit cocktail. Make sure to shake your evaporated milk. We're also going to use some fresh fruit on this one. We're going to add 2 apples and a pound of strawberries. We're also going to add this vanilla flavoring called La Vencedora. It's one of my favorites. We're going to go ahead and cut our apples like this. Now that they're cut, go ahead and put them in a big bowl, the biggest bowl you can find. Remember, we did 2 apples. Up next, we're going to cut up our strawberries like this. Go ahead and dump them in your bowl. Up next, we're going to add in the peaches. Make sure to pour out the syrup. We don't want the full slices, so we're going to cut them into smaller pieces. Go ahead and add them into your bowl. We're going to use the whole can of this. Alright, in the bowl they go. Up next, we're going to add in some mandarins and make sure to pour out the syrup. Now we're going to add in the pineapples, and this one without the juice as well. You can cut these into smaller pieces if you like. Now goes in the fruit cocktail. In this one, we do want the syrup. I repeat, we do want the syrup. Give it a little mix. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps out our channel. Now in the blender, add 1 can of media crema. Up next, 1 can of evaporated milk. We're gonna add 1 can of lechera. Alright, we're gonna add 1 pack of Philadelphia cheese. We're gonna add a splash of vanilla de vencedora. Now we're gonna blend it. While that blends, we're gonna roast our pecans for a little bit. It gives it a little bit of extra flavor. Now that that's all blended, let's go ahead and add it into the fruit. That looks good. Go ahead and take out the orange JellO that we prepared earlier and start cutting it up like this. It's gonna end up making little cubes. You can use whatever JellO, but I prefer the orange one. Go ahead and add it into the fruit. Now let's give it a little mix. And we're gonna add some bombones, my favorite. You can also use the colorful ones, but I like using these. Marshmallows. Look at all those marshmallows. Give it a little mix. And lastly, let's add our pecans. Pecans, whatever you want to call it. I actually added some almonds to this too. Give it one last mix. And we're gonna stick it in the fridge for 2 hours. And 2 hours later, this is how it should look. Look how good that looks. It was delicious. If you want to add something extra, you can add coconut flakes. Half a bag will be good. One of our peeps doesn't like coconut, so we didn't add it. But it tastes really good with it. Remember, half a bag will be good. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy holidays.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one.
Love ya.